Very much so. Chicken broccoli rice, very much so. I don't want to eat this. Spent a bag on 2 bags. Spent $200. It's the grocery haul for the lazy girls. Okay, I'm gonna have to do a budget version next. It's getting out of control. Spent a bag on 2 bags. Also, in my defense, I am lazy AF. Okay, I got a lot of proteins, and I've been eating so much of the same stuff. Like, I needed to rotate what I was buying. Girl, they were all out of jasmine rice. I was like, God bless, because I can't eat any more rice right now. I'm gonna complain about the prices, but like, you have to eat. I don't know, bulking, you already know, it's expensive. I think in my next video, I'm gonna do like a meal prep with me. So definitely stay tuned for that. But I just wanted to get some groceries and stock up because your girl had no food. Like, I was eating struggle meals. And you know, like when you have like a struggle meal, like it's not a complete meal. So I was doing like protein pasta with butter, no protein on there, but the pasta, girl. So it wasn't really satisfying like my cravings. I've been wanting fresh things like fruits, and I haven't had that for my yogurt, so it's been very sad and bland. But I got a lot of the things that I wanted to make my life a little bit easier, and as you can tell, it's very expensive. I mean, it's really the protein. But I'm gonna get home and we'll get into this grocery haul, and you guys can let me know what you guys are buying this week. I need some ideas too, because it's very much so basic, very much so chicken broccoli rice, very much so I don't want to eat this. So I did make some meals in mind to help the grocery process a little bit better, and I'm actually really excited to make something to eat. And I did just leave the gym, so yeah, I'm kind of hungry, so let me stop rambling and get back to the crib. I just got home, but I gotta wait to put or show you guys what I got, because there's a man here looking at the water. I don't know, but this was my outfit today. It's giving cozy vibes. You already saw this in the first Fitmas. Let me not pretend like I'm filming 2 videos today. Ooh, girl, let me show y'all what I got from, I went to VLOGMAS. That's been like my favorite place to get groceries. So we got some protein buns from Dave's Killer. I'm gonna do like chicken sandwiches. Those are super easy to have. I'm actually gonna make some of those right now. Bananas, I like to add that to like my yogurt bowls, smoothies, and freeze them. And then for my veggie, because I really need to start eating more greens, we got some broccoli. It's always nice to have in the freezer. And then my proteins is where, like, girl, I'll be spending my money. So we got some grilled shrimp. Really good. I want to put that over some pasta with like a vegan parmesan. And then I'm going to be meal prepping in my next video some food. So I just got some of these steaks, and I can get like 4 meals out of them. So, I mean, that was pretty pricey, but it's already seasoned. It's for the lazy girlies. And then I'm going to be doing a Greek pasta. So I got some olives for that, some little tomatoes as well. And also for produce, I love having something fresh. I tend to just get like 1 fruit in addition to like banana because I don't want the stuff to go bad. But I've been loving blueberries in oatmeal and then also in my yogurt bowls. So that just kind of makes it easy. And then also for protein, I picked up some already cooked grilled chicken for moments like today whenever I get home late from the gym and I don't want to be bothered with cooking something that's raw. So I might actually have that because I kind of gotta go. But I did find this granola. It's really hard to find granola that doesn't have almonds or nuts or anything. And this one is like a, what flavor is this? I don't think it's flavored. Whole grain oats with honey. Just add some extra calories to my snacks. Oh my god, one of my yogurts busted open. What a waste of money. But girl, we got some mint tea. I'm gonna have to take that out of the box. And then I did get 4 of these like So Delicious coconut milk yogurts. I like the raspberry. This is such a waste of money with inflation. I'm mad. I'm so mad. These ones are okay. So yeah, I guess we have 3 this week. And now there's yogurt everywhere. I also got this Follow Your Heart Parmesan. It's a dairy-free alternative. This stuff is like really good raw. I use it a lot for salads and pastas. And then I also found these chicken patties from Applegate, which is one of my favorite brands. This one is just the chicken and maple. So I thought I could do like a breakfast sandwich with some of these buns and have that in the morning. And then I feel like I always need a pasta sauce. So I like the Rayo's marinara. That's always just a good staple to have on hand. And then protein pasta. This one is just a penne. I like the spaghetti. They have the bow ties, the elbows, all that kind of stuff. But this is what I'm planning on using for my Greek like pasta salad because I cannot get with rice right now. So I think this will be a good swap this week for my carbs. And then for the serving, you get 10 grams of protein, and I tend to double that up. So that's just 20 grams in your pasta alone. And then you add your chicken. It's amazing. And I have a few kombuchas in here as well in the gingerade. So good. It helps with the gut and digestion. And it's just refreshing if you don't want to have soda. And there's yogurt all over my tote. How unfortunate. And then I picked up some cucumber. I hate how they package it like this. But this is for that pasta salad. I've never made the pasta salad, so I hope it's good. And then I have a couple of sweet potatoes. I just got 3 of them, and this is what I'll be meal prepping as well. So that I'll get into tomorrow. I really have to have like a day to meal prep because like after the gym, I do not want to think about cooking and cleaning and doing all that. So we're going to start fresh in the morning. I just wanted to have some groceries stocked up. I also picked up some plant-based butter. I like to get the soy-free. They have so many different variations of it, so you can get what you like. And then I've been loving these Just Bare chicken fillets. So I've been doing chicken sandwiches with these. I had some pickles. The Trader Joe's, what do they call it? Magnifi sauce. It's kind of like a special like McDonald's Big Mac kind of a variation. It's so good on this. I like the patties or the fillets way better than the little bites. I don't know, the bites kind of scare me. It has like chicken skin on some of them. I don't know. I wasn't feeling it too much, so I went back to these, and it's just super quick to make as well. And there's yogurt on this too. That's it. This was a super short video today for Fitmas, but I just wanted to show you guys some easy meal ideas and some things that I like to kind of shop for when I'm trying to stay on track and kind of slightly switch things up from your traditional chicken, rice, and broccoli. If you're in a rut like me and you're tired of eating stuff like that, just swap your carb choices, your protein choices, your veggies to something that you maybe haven't had in a minute. So I'm kind of on a bread pasta kick instead of leaning towards rice for every freaking meal. Potatoes are really good as well, so I'm kind of craving like sweet potato. And then I feel like I've been eating a lot of chicken, although I have chicken here. I do like to add shrimp into my meals as well, something a little bit lighter. I don't know, I feel like shrimp just tastes more fresh even though it's cooked. I don't know, but this grilled shrimp is super good. And then steak is expensive, but I like to have it every now and again, especially since I can get it already seasoned and it's like 4 meals for me. So it's the life hack when things are already seasoned and like pretty much ready for you to go. It really helps out for all the lazy girls. And at the end of the day, if it's easy for you, you enjoy it, and it's quick to make a meal, that's all that really matters. I spend a lot of time going to and from the gym, working out, getting content, that I kind of slack on the food part. So leaning towards things that are already like halfway prepared really helps me in my own journey, and everybody is different. So just do what is best for you and do things that you enjoy. If you enjoy cleaning chicken and cutting it up, then do that. I can be like that sometimes, but not all the time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and I will see you guys in my next fitness vlog with a meal prep. You can see how I meal prep. It's a little bit different than most people, and what meals we are going to be making for the next few days. So thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you girls next time. Bye guys.